Now, let's practice using the inverse trig derivatives we just learned. We want to find the derivative of h of x equals cosine inverse of 3x minus 1. First, let's identify the outer function. The outer function is cosine inverse of something. The inner function is the expression inside the cosine inverse, which is 3x minus 1. This function h of x has two layers. That means we have to use the chain rule. To find h prime of x, we first need to take the derivative of the outer layer, which is the derivative of cosine inverse. From the formula that we had earlier, the derivative of cosine inverse of something equals -1 over the square root of 1 minus something square. This something is the inner function. H prime of x equals the derivative of the outer function times the derivative of the inner function. So the derivative of the outer function is -1 over square root of 1 minus something square. Then multiplying by the derivative of the inner function. Now, this something here is going to be the inner function, and the inner function is 3x minus 1. The derivative of 3x minus 1 is 3. So I have -1 over the square root of 1 minus 3x minus 1 squared times 3. And I can simplify this by taking -1 multiplied by 3, which is -3. So the derivative of h of x is -3 divided by square root of 1 minus 3x minus 1 squared. Now let's try another example. Find the derivative of g of x equals x squared times sine inverse of x. This is a product of two functions, so we are going to use the product rule. G prime of x equals the derivative of the first function times the second function plus the derivative of the second function times the first function. The derivative of x squared is 2x times sine inverse of x plus the derivative of sine inverse of x is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared times x squared. And we can simplify this by taking 1 times x squared, which is x squared. And this is the derivative of g of x. So in this page, we combined inverse trig derivatives, the chain rule, and the product rule. These problems are really about recognizing which rule to use and applying it step by step.